honey. I want some. Uh-oh.
Help!
That's our baby. The bees!
Hold on, son. We're coming.
I'm sorry, bees.
Stay behind us, son. We've got this.
There is always a better way than fighting. Watch and learn, my little one. Nature gives us everything we need if we know where to look and how to ask. The lavender calms them. The smoke confuses their signals. They forget their anger.
I'm sorry, Mama. I should have left the bees alone.
That's right, my dear. Every creature has its place.
Did you like our adventure? Please hit that subscribe button and the like button.
We'd love for you to join our family here on the farm.